Hello, future Poe Ravens. This is Miss Turner, and today we're going to walk you through how to fill out the Rising 6th Grade Poe Middle School course selection form. You're going to use this form to let us know what classes you're interested in taking next year. You'll notice that I'm using the Braddock Elementary form as an example, but if you don't go to Braddock, your form should have the name of your elementary school at the top. The first question is for your FCPS student ID. So go ahead and type that in here. If for some reason you don't know it, you can ask your teacher or school counselor to help. The second question is your first name. So type your first name in. Be sure to capitalize the first letter because we always do that. The next question is your last name. Typing that in. Once you've done these three things, you can push next. This section is about core classes. If you remember, core classes are the classes that all students take, like math, language arts, social studies, and science. For each of these subjects, you get to choose between the on-level course and the honors or advanced course. If you're not sure which one you should take, it's a good idea to talk to your teachers, to your parents or guardians, or anyone that knows you well to help you make that decision. So for each subject, you're going to go through and choose between the on-level and the advanced or honors course. Notice that honors is written as HN. Okay? So once you go through and you make all your choices for math, language arts, social studies, and science, you can push next. This section is about electives. You get to choose your electives. Not everybody takes the same ones. You'll notice that you're going to put your first choice here, your second choice here, all the way down to your 8th choice. And you want them to be in order from your most favorite to your 8th most favorite. When you click here, you'll see all of your options for electives. They are Band 6, Orchestra 6, Chorus 6, Intro to Spanish, Intro to French, Art 6, Theater Arts, Musical Theater, Computer Explorations, Family and Consumer Sciences, and Intro to Engineering. You'll notice that next to the course title, we wrote half year or year long to help you remember which one it is. So we need to pick our most favorite. Let's say that's art, but everybody's will be different. And then you're going to put them in order. Second most favorite, third most favorite, and then you keep going all the way down to 8th. Now, before I move to the next page, I'm going to make sure that all of my choices are different, that I didn't pick anything twice. So let's make sure. All right, everything looks good. All of my choices are different, and so I'm ready to push next. On this page, it just asks you to agree to two different statements. The first one is that you understand that the choices you made today are course requests. Therefore, you are not guaranteed a seat in the class you've chosen. Students will be placed in classes based on individual academic needs, availability of classes, and the number of open seats in each class. So if you understand that, you click here. The last one, when you submit this form, a copy of your course request will be emailed to your school email account. You must share the copy of your course request with your parent or guardian. If you agree to that, you click I agree, and then you are ready to push submit. Once you do, a copy of your course request will be emailed to you to review with your parent or guardian. We look forward to having you at Poe Middle School next year. Thanks, everyone.